Hey everybody, it's Alex with Pete's RV Center in South Windsor, Connecticut. Today we're taking a look at a new floor plan for Jayco. This is going to be their Eagle half-ton towable bunkhouse. All new for 2024, brand new floor plan. This is going to be the 29 DDB floor plan. Comes in at under 10,000 pounds, so 9306 dry weight. And it's just about 34 feet overall, 34 feet 6 inches. Panning back here, you're going to get a look at the exterior, so pretty much your campsite. You've got your power awning up there with the LED strip right under it. Outside speaker. Then a large pass-through storage here as well. It's going to have the Jayco vacuum bonded fiberglass sidewalls on it. So less delamination, if not any. Also has the Jayco climate shield on it. So they test these campers from 100 degrees to 0 degrees. Also your Goodyear Endurance tires on it with your MoRide suspension on it as well. And it's also got the auto leveling system too. Towards the back, you're going to have a little outside kitchen area. So this is your mini fridge here. You also have your port system down here. You're going to have your J-port system, so your griddle, and then your outside sink is going to slide into there. And then your outside shower / water connection. There's also outlets, USBs right in here as well. Beautiful unit with the sleek white exterior, all new graphics package for 2024 as well. To the back, you're going to have your roof ladder to get up to your fully walkable Magnum Truss roof. And a large storage off the back too. Good for like all your camping chairs and umbrellas, things like that. Also a hitch receiver on the back with 300-pound tongue weight to it. So you can do like a cargo accessory receiver, a bike rack on the back. Also backup camera prep. Pan around this side of the coach here. Prep for slide topper. It's got G20 tinted windows on it. It's going to be your on-demand Furrion hot water heater here. And I believe this is, so Furrion hot water heater. Also, this is going to be a 50 amp service coach. This is going to be the other side of your pass-through storage with your water connections in it. Bear with me here. Going to have your Nautilus P2.5 system. So you set these pretty much valves. Just follow the diagram if you're winterizing, dry camping, filling your tank, city water connection. Also turn on your water pump from here. It's going to be your tank releases for your black water tank, then your 2 gray tanks. Also controls for your auto leveling system there. Then you're going to have 230 pounds of propane on your coach. One on this side, one on the other side. Panning towards the back, or the front I should say. That's going to be your storage compartment right there. Now let's go take a look at the inside. So coming in this way. First walk in your theater seats on the right. Some cabinetry up top. Very residential style with this cabinetry. Jayco recently just started spacing out their 2 cabinets, so a lot more residential feeling. A big U-shaped dinette that's also going to drop down into another sleeping space if need be. So a very large adult can sleep on there if need be. Panning over this way. This is the redesigned farmhouse interior. for 2024. More of a stark white to it. Get a ton of storage down in here. And 2 drawers as well. Then Insignia Smart TV up there with your Furrion soundbar. Then you get some hidden storage back there too. Also makes it easily accessible if you want to plug in like a game system or something right there. You can easily get to the back of the TV. They've started using these GE appliances for 2024 as well. So your oven, your microwave, and your refrigerator is all going to be these GE appliances. More storage cabinets up here too. Good for all your cups and plates and all that good stuff. Then stainless steel sink down here with your matte black faucet, sprayer wand on it, and more storage as well. Coming over this way, you're going to have your 12-volt refrigerator. There is solar on this unit, so it is possible to boondock and still keep your fridge running. Runs right off your battery power, gets down to temperature, a lot more efficient. I've only had this on a battery for, say, 10-15 minutes now. This freezer's already getting cold. Coming over this way, we'll show you the bunkhouse. Starts out with 2 storage drawers right here. Great use of the space. Then your 4-inch teddy bear mattresses as well. It's all plywood construction in here too. These are rated for up to 600 pounds each, so you can sleep a few adults if you had to. And there's also wardrobe space for the kids or guests. And also storage drawers here too. And there is a sliding barn door that does close off the bunkhouse if need be. Oh, there's also storage under the dinette too. So these pop open, more storage on both sides. Now we'll pan up towards the bathroom area. First I'll show you your connections on the wall. This is going to be for your slide, your awning, your water pump, then all of your tank checks here too. And then this is going to be your, pretty much your interior lights. And then this is going to be for your HVAC system. Coming into the bathroom, no more blue vanity for the bathroom, so they brought it back to the modern farmhouse. And storage down here. That's going to be your matte black finish on your faucet in here as well. You've also started doing this butcher block looking on the countertops in here. And there's also a medicine cabinet. And then you've got your porcelain toilet. They've also started doing this marble surround in here for your shower. Also with the matte black finish on your sprayer wand. Coming over this way, I've got outlets in here, and then this is going to be for your on-demand hot water heater. Taking a look at the bedroom. Also have done the modern farmhouse up in the bedroom area. Very beautiful look. And you've got storage on both sides of the bed. And then this is going to be for your second AC there. And storage drawers here as well. On both sides. And then windows on both sides. This one's an emergency exit window. Where those funky octopus coat hooks down there. And a backer for a television. Then another huge wardrobe storage over here. And then there is a second door that leads into the bathroom. Well, into this cabinet, I should say. And then more drawers down here. We'll get one more pan around the RV as I come back down the stairs. So yeah, all new for 2024. A beautiful fifth wheel floor plan by Jayco. Once again, this has been Alex with Pete's RV Center in South Windsor, Connecticut. Feel free to like and subscribe and watch another video. Thanks for watching.